Hello, welcome to another Cashflow tutorial. In this one, we will be telling you all about the creation and management of versions. After you have created a project, you can create different versions of the same project in order to simulate different scenarios. On the projects page, click on the button Show Versions. It will show you the versions of your project. Since you just created the project, there is no version to edit. So click on Create Version. First, let's edit the version's title. You can also add a description or observation to help you distinguish and organize your versions. It is not a mandatory field. We can now set the inflation in percentage. The inflation will be applied to every year of forecasting. Now, let's set the days of VAT. It states the average number of days until the VAT balance is paid or received. If you are unsure about this assumption in the country of your project, you can leave it at 30 days or set it to 0. Now, you need to set the values about the days accounts receivables. When you enter a value for the first time, the following years will take the same value. But you can edit them as well. This only happens when you are setting the values for the first time. This table behavior is consistent to all tables across Cashflow app. Next, the days accounts payables, or the average payment term. The days investment payables, or the average payment term to suppliers of investment. Lastly, we must define the days of stock. In this field, you should insert the average term of your stock. Once you have inserted every assumption, click on Save. You will be directed to the projects page again. If you click again on Show Versions, you can now see your new version. If you click on the dots to the right, you have three options. Access the version settings, duplicate the version, which allows you to create a new version with exactly the same options as the one that you are duplicating. This is very useful when you only want to edit some fields and do not want to edit the entire project. The best is to input all assumptions and only duplicate the version after. The last option allows you to delete the project. And that is all in this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.